We all want to do well, work hard, get promoted, earn more. But there's a quiet trap that appears just as we start to succeed. It feels like a reward, but it can keep you from building real wealth. This trap is called lifestyle inflation. As your income rises, so does your spending, often without you noticing. Each upgrade, a nicer car, a bigger apartment, feels deserved. But these small steps add up, pulling you away from your long-term goals. The danger? You end up working for money your whole life instead of letting your money work for you. The key is intention, deciding what you truly value. Is it fleeting luxury or lasting freedom? The goal of earning more shouldn't be to spend more. It should be to buy yourself freedom. Freedom from worry, freedom to choose your work, freedom to spend time with those you love. That's the greatest thing money can buy. But you only get it if you resist the urge to upgrade every time your paycheck grows. Recognize the trap before you step in. Make sure your actions match your deepest desires for a secure, independent future. Don't let lifestyle inflation quietly steal your chance at abundance. Let's explore how to avoid this trap and why it matters for building true wealth. Lifestyle inflation is simple. As your income increases, your spending increases too. You earn more, so you spend more, on bigger apartments, newer cars, fancier vacations. Each upgrade feels natural, like enjoying the fruits of your labor. But if your spending grows as fast as your income, you're not actually getting richer. You're just living a more expensive version of the same life. Your bank account doesn't grow, and your financial security doesn't improve. You're still living paycheck to paycheck, just with nicer stuff. This is how we build our own golden handcuffs. The lifestyle looks great, but it keeps you tied to your job. Every raise is matched by higher spending, so the gap between what you earn and what you save never grows. True wealth is built in that gap, not in what you show, but in what you keep and invest. Lifestyle inflation keeps you looking rich but not being rich. Lifestyle inflation is tempting because of the hedonic treadmill. When you buy something new, a car, a house, you feel a burst of happiness. But soon, it becomes your new normal, and the excitement fades. You start chasing the next upgrade, hoping it'll bring lasting satisfaction. But the treadmill never stops. The happiness is always temporary. That's why even high earners can feel stressed about money. Their expenses rise with their income, and peace of mind remains out of reach. The real solution? Shift your focus. Lasting happiness comes from experiences, relationships, and personal growth, not from things. Financial freedom gives you time and options to pursue what matters. By resisting the urge to buy more, you build wealth that supports a meaningful life. Don't let the pursuit of stuff keep you running in place. Step off the treadmill. Invest in what truly brings joy. That's the real reward of financial independence, and it's within your reach. Meet Alex and Ben, two friends, same job, same salary. Both start out saving $10,000 a year. After a raise, Alex upgrades his lifestyle, new apartment, nicer car, more spending. His savings stay flat, and his savings rate drops. Ben keeps his lifestyle the same and doubles his savings. He invests the extra money, letting it grow. Years later, Alex has a big house, expensive cars, and little savings. He looks wealthy, but he's trapped by his expenses. Ben, meanwhile, has built real wealth and freedom. He has options, security, and control over his time. The difference? Ben avoided lifestyle inflation. He let his raises build his future, not just his present. That's the power of resisting the urge to upgrade. The biggest cost of lifestyle inflation isn't just less savings. It's lost opportunity. Every dollar spent on upgrades is a dollar that could have been invested and grown. Over time, that missed growth is massive. High expenses also make you fragile. Lose your job and you're in trouble. With low expenses and big savings, you have resilience and freedom. You can take risks, negotiate, or even take time off. Lifestyle inflation trades long-term power for short-term comfort. Don't let it steal your future. Avoiding lifestyle inflation doesn't mean deprivation. It means being intentional with your money. Here are 4 simple rules. First, create a gap. Always spend less than you earn, and protect that gap as your income grows. Second, automate your savings so you don't have to rely on willpower. Third, focus on what truly makes you happy. Spend on what matters, cut the rest. Finally, track your progress. Seeing your net worth grow is more satisfying than any new gadget. These habits build real wealth and freedom. Choose freedom over fleeting upgrades. Let your money work for your future. The path is simple, but powerful. Start today. Your future self will thank you.